After ng Game 1 matchup between LA Lakers and Minnesota Timberwolves na natapos sa score na 117-95, panalo ang Timberwolves, marami ako nababasa, marami ako nakikita na yung performance daw ng Timberwolves, mainit lang, swerte lang, nagkataon lang na shooting night talaga nila today. They finished with 21 3-pointers out of 42 attempts, 50%, 21 3-point mix. Grabe yun. Pero nung napanood ko naman yung game, napansin ko na yung 3-point attempts kasi nila, kaya nila nakukuha yun because of how the Lakers defense is constructed. Dahil yung Lakers kasi wala silang reliable big man besides Jackson Hayes or even minsan si Vando na i-stretch into a 5. Yung defense ng Lakers is constructed to be annoying on the perimeter. Kumbaga mag-scramble sila, mag-rotate sila, magpadala sila ng help. And ang weakness nun is kapag nabibit yung point of attack defense nila and merong big man like Rudy Gobert, traditional big man, na nasa paint, they're forced, to bring help. Kung makikita natin dito, transition to para sa Timberwolves, okay? Point of attack is McDaniels. Sinalo ni Finney-Smith. So, merong Rudy Gobert dito sa ilalim. Si LeBron, kailangan niyang saluhin ngayon si Rudy Gobert. Yung defense kasi ng Lakers, yes, it's effective against, stretch bigs or players like Nikola Jokic. Pero if merong traditional big man dito na lagi nasa dunker spot, lagi nasa ilalim, and then napapalibutan ng 4 na shooters, it's going to be difficult for them to really defend and stretch out their defense. Kasi pagkadating dito kay McDaniels, okay, paint touch, si LeBron, kailangan saluhin si Gobert ngayon. Ang layo ng panggagalingan ni Vincent para makapunta kay Edwards kasi originally si Vincent yung naatasan or na matchup, na cross-match kay Naz Reid na saluhin yung trail. Now, wide open 3-pointer. Because yung point of attack mo, okay, complemented by a traditional big man na nasa paint. Ngayon, after ng paint touch, meron kang player sa paint, you have to defend the paint. So, ang nalilibre dito is yung 3 points sa weak side. Which is yun yung nangyari dito. Again, isa pa dito, okay, there's going to be a pin down para kay Donte DiVincenzo. So, magro-roll dito si Rudy Gobert. Again, there's going to be a big man near the basket para sa Timberwolves. And 4 shooters surrounding that big man. Isang point of attack, si Donte. So, ngayon, papakira dito si Vando. Si Luka Doncic nakatingin doon sa action na yon. Now, makikita natin, pagka-curl ni Donte, pagka-drive, okay, may help sa nail, may Luka Doncic na nag-tag, merong Vando, Austin Reeves, nag-go over the screen. So, now, nag-collapse yung defense, nag-shrink the floor, libre ngayon yung weak side corner 3-pointer. Again, it's because wala silang reliable big to stop Rudy Gobert. So, ang kailangan lang gawin ni Rudy Gobert is to roll to the basket, draw the defense inside. Kahit na hindi niya masalo yung bola, yung presensya niya is enough to make the defense collapse inside. Again, dito, okay? Now, na-mention ko kanina yung point of attack. Dito, walang Rudy Gobert, lahat shooter. Pero, meron ka namang Anthony Edwards na threat to go inside the paint. So, same thing. Diba? Hindi siya big man na nasa paint, pero he's someone dynamic enough to attack defenders one-on-one and get to the paint. So, ang ginawa dito ng Minnesota Timberwolves, okay, nagset sila ng screen, wing to wing, okay, para maalis si DFS kay Anthony Edwards and ma-switch ay Luka Doncic kay Anthony Edwards. So, after no, nag-ISO si Anthony Edwards, okay, blow by, diba? Pangit na point of attack defense from Luka, hinayaan niya makapunta si Anthony Edwards dito sa paint, forcing the defense to collapse. Okay, DFS, naka-load up. Si Rui, naka-load up. May flare screen dito kay Donte and si LeBron had to defend 2 players at once kasi si DFS nag-load up. So now, Anthony Edwards nakita niya sa weak side, open si Randle. Again, weak side corner 3-pointer. Again, dito, okay? Luka against Anthony Edwards sa switch. Now, there's going to be load up defense. Okay, si Gabe Vincent nandito. Andito si Jared Vanderbilt. And then merong DFS dito, may LeBron sa weak side. So, sa ngayon, libre si Conley. Pero, eventually, okay, ang problema dito is that meron kang player sa ilalim and you have LeBron basically defending 2 Wolves players dito sa weak side. Again, Anthony Edwards attacks the paint, nag-load up si Vando. Okay, nag-slide. Julius Randle. Open 3-pointer again. And again, dito, against Rui, blow by, na-force si Vincent to load up. Luka, again, stuck defending 2 Wolves players. Same play, aangat dito si Naz Reid and then may isang kakat sa baseline. Okay, someone going to the paint and another player flashing sa may 3-point area, force Luka Doncic to defend 2 players. So, pipili ka na lang kung ikaw si Anthony Edwards. So, it's really about their defense. Hindi dahil sa swerte lang yung Timberwolves. Yes, mainit sila. 50% shooting sila. 21 out of 42. Pero the defense of the Lakers kasi is designed to give up that specific shot. And nahanap yun ng Timberwolves all game long. So, yun at yun ang hinanap nila all game long. Dahil NBA players sila, they made those open shots.